I'm rebuilding this lower unit. You will find the part number in the description, and I show you all special tools for this, and also the procedure. I show it in another video, yeah. So, and in this video I want to cover just one special tool, this puller. What is special in the puller? Well, you will see the problem now. This puller is used here, and I will show you now the problem. And if you want to see the full rebuild of this unit, the video is coming. Subscribe to see it. A year ago, when I was recovering all parts from this housing, I did my own puller from the old one, and I will briefly show you this now, and then we continue. So you got the point. The bigger the puller, the bigger it has these jaws, or how you call this, here. So, or vice versa, if you have the small here, yeah, then it will be small puller, a short one, so it doesn't fit. You may have a slide hammer, and it also includes some pullers, but again this part will fit, but they are short even in that big slider hammer. Okay, if we talk about just removing the bearing carrier, then probably you can figure out how to do this. However, when you do the new gear housing, here is the procedure of setting clearance between pinion gear and forward gear, and you need a puller load for 5 Newton meters. Well, so it's a kind of job where you need a better tool, not just some kind of junk, and we again come across the original one, yeah? Well, let's think more. Here is an example of a lot of different kind of pullers, and that's what I'm talking about. When you look on the small jaws, then you have the short puller, or otherwise, if you want the long one, then it will have huge here, yeah. So you really need the original one. And actually, a couple of days ago, I was inspired by the idea that I probably can do something myself. So here for the middle bolt, using this stuff and probably that stuff with thread. Yeah, I don't know how you call it correctly. Yeah, so, but then today I found, no, I was not found, but inspired with idea to make something probably from existed pullers, like this one. It's just about 9 euros, yeah, the small one, but actually from this set, which is 99. And guys, I didn't compare prices. Probably you can buy for 50 somewhere this. I just want to make job today, so I just bought it for 99, and that's what we have here. This mandrels actually might be useful for gears in the future, I don't know. So that is the set, and I will try maybe to make something from that one. And in the slide hammer we have also some parts that might be useful, I don't know yet, but at least these two I think we take from here. So guys, in that set you have this central bolt. How you call this plate? I don't know how you call it. Puller body, I think it's body. Yeah, so, and you have different kind of extension actually, look. So it goes here, the smaller diameter. So the bolt is fine for this location, and also this stuff that is slide here we can use here, But we need jaws. Are they called jaws? I think this one, yeah? So, and I come across this idea, look, at the moment, yeah? So it should work. The only thing is how to connect it here, yeah? So I didn't find yet, but the idea is that it might work. And I think that kind of stuff you have in many pullers. So that is probably you have and you can find. So the question is only about the right long jaws. Jaws. G-A-W-S. Eureka, guys. Look, actually, this small guy has helped. Look, the rod from this set, the extender, fits this middle. I can rotate this to the opposite side to be like that, or probably install this one. And here is extension, and yeah, we have the right size, nothing will interfere, and it will work. So I'm in rush to buy the second one, because I cannot do from just one before the shop is closed. See you later. Well, and now when we know the idea, probably should I take something else? This one? Well, let well enough alone. Take the same one. Well, guys, I did it this way. So now I have this set, yeah, two of them here, and I tried to fit it here. And now take a look, and you will understand why I will encourage to buy the original one again. So you can see we don't have much place here. Well, we do have, but the place there is very specific. If we try to put it here this way, that it will interfere. Well, you probably can put it somehow, but then it's somewhere here, and this space might be not enough, something like that. So that's what we have without original tool. Oh, wow! I reversed them back. Well, you got the point. I will set it, I know, but then we make some conclusion. Well, guys, buy the original one, yeah? Or exact copy of the original one. The original one is about 300, actually. So this part and this part, yeah? So there is a copy. If you are in the US, it's quite easy. You can get for 100 the exact copy of this one. Yeah, I have seen also for about 100 a black one with. Okay, it is coming. When it's coming, when it's here, I will show you. But at the moment you have seen that, well, definitely with this self-made you can do the job, yeah. And so I think you have seen the name of this tools, yeah. So you can do this job. Probably you can do even that job that I will be doing now soon. So I actually subscribe to see the full repair of this geo housing. And yeah, but you need a copy of the original one definitely for this job. So let's wait for the alternative version that is coming to me. I will review it, and that will be the end of the story. Well guys, I received this pulle. That's what I meant. Yeah, you can see these pictures on Amazon, eBay, everywhere, but usually you don't have dimensions there. And guys, it's a huge stuff, really huge. I'm not sure if you can understand this through the video, but it's huge and heavy. Look at this bolt. Yeah, it's really huge. So I expected something not that big, yeah. So, and look, I don't know if it fits there, and I cannot check now because I rebuilt this lower unit and even tested yesterday. Subscribe to see video about it. So I think I probably record another video about just this pulley later when I try it. But I can say that I'm pretty sure that I will not like this as much as what I did myself, my own, that you have seen in this video. And of course not that good as the original one. I can imagine it because I have seen the original one just on video. So I don't think that you should buy this one. I think, well, I still believe that you should buy the original one. Okay guys, that's it. Subscribe to see video just about this pull, about rebuild unit, and bye.